Well, in an address in Supol, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says Bihar's youth, voters, farmers and every citizen aspiring to build a prosperous future develop Bihar on the strong foundations of good governance and prosperity. The turnout and early trends in the first phase of the elections have demonstrated that if Bihar is to flourish, individuals must use their votes to elevate the state to new heights of prosperity and progress. Let's listen in.
आज बिहार का नौजवान, बिहार का अन्नदाता किसान, बिहार का हर नागरिक खुशहाली की, सुशासन की सुदृढ़ नींव पर एक समृद्ध और विकसित बिहार बनाने के लिए आगे बढ़ना चाहता है। बहनों और भाइयों, पहले चरण के चुनाव के मतदान ने और उसके रुझान ने साबित किया है कि बिहार को समृद्ध बनाना है तो अपने मतदान का प्रयोग करके बिहार को विकास और समृद्धि की नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाना है। इतिहास गवाह है, बिहार समृद्ध और विकसित हुआ है, भारत समृद्ध और विकसित हुआ है। बिहार का स्वर्ण युग आया है तो भारत का वह स्वर्ण युग बना है और फिर से उस स्वर्ण युग को लाने के लिए आप सबका आह्वान करने के लिए आज मैं आपके बीच में आया हूं। छातापुर विधानसभा क्षेत्र में आपके सुपौल के सुपुत्र भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए के प्रत्याशी के रूप में श्री नीरज कुमार सिंह बबलू को फिर से एनडीए ने आपके पास भेजा है।
All right, my colleague Shikha Salaria is joining me with more details. Now, Shikha, we've played out that statement by Yogi Adityanath for our viewers. What more can you tell us? Shikha, am I audible to you? And he's, of course, speaking about the Bihar's youth, voters and farmers, and also every citizen who's aspiring to build a prosperous future. He's spoken about developing Bihar on the strong foundations of good governance and prosperity. The turnout and early trends in the first phase of the elections have demonstrated that if Bihar is to flourish, he says, individuals must use their votes to elevate the state to new heights of prosperity and progress. And now moving on, viewers. Now, RJD leader and daughter of former Chief Minister of Bihar, Lalu Yadav, Misa Bharti, has spoken on the Bihar elections campaign. She emphasized the support the Mahagathbandhan is receiving, adding that Tejasvi Yadav will live up to the expectations of the people and fulfill promises she is making to the people of Bihar today when he gets a chance. Let's listen in.
भैया समय कम है और आज चुनाव का आज आखिरी फेज का आज समापन हो जाएगा शाम को। और आप देखिए कि जो सत्ता पक्ष के पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है और वहीं विपक्ष, हम लोग जो मुद्दे हैं, जो बिहार के मुद्दे हैं और बिहार के बारे में जितनी हम लोग सोच रखते हैं उसको लेकर के हम लोग जनता के बीच में जा रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं जनता का पूरा आशीर्वाद, समर्थन महागठबंधन को मिल रहा है। खास तौर पे तेजस्वी में युवाओं की उम्मीद भरी निगाहों से देख रहे हैं कि जैसे वादा उन्होंने पूरा किया है, इस बार भी जो वो वादा कर रहे हैं उसको पूरा करेंगे। चाहे वो माँ बहन मान योजना हो, चाहे वो एक प्रत्येक जिस घर में सरकारी नौकरी नहीं है वहाँ सरकारी नौकरी देने की बात कह रहे हूँ। पलायन रोकने के लिए उनके पास ब्लूप्रिंट भी तैयार है कि किस तरह से बिहार में हम लोग फैक्ट्री लगाएंगे। तो हम मुद्दों के साथ जनता के बीच जाए।
All right, my colleague Shikha Salaria is joining me with more details. Shikha, we've played out Misa Bharti's statement. What more can you tell our viewers?
Yes, this is of the alliances assertion that they are winning, and we're watching that whether it's the NDA or the Mahagathbandhan, both the leaders from both the alliances are affirming that they are going to win and the numbers are going to be on their side on November 14th. We've seen what Yogi Adityanath, the UP CM, has said. He has also mentioned about the high voter turnout in the first phase. And now remember, the turnout has been around 65%, which has been the highest in several decades. and like Yogi Adityanath said, that this is in favor of the NDA. On similar lines, the Mahagathbandhan is on the other hand claiming that this actually means that people have turned out to vote because of anti-incumbency and because they want to vote out the incumbent government. So both the alliances are trying their best to affirm that they're going to win and the numbers are going to be on their side, but only November 14 is going to reveal what the numbers are going to be and which side is going to emerge with flying colors. On the other side, we've also seen that today being, let's say, Tejaswi Yadav's birthday, we've seen that the RJD seems to be full of color and full of enthusiasm about the campaign for the second phase. And since today happens to be the final phase of the election campaign, the Mahagathbandhan is leaving no stones unturned to ensure that they campaign in most of the cities and they touch most of the parts of Bihar. And Tejaswi happens to be one leader who has addressed maximum number of rallies. On the other hand, NDA is also leaving no stones unturned and ensuring that most of the star campaigners, whether it is Defence Minister Rajnath Singh or UP CM Yogi Adityanath or other star campaigners of the NDA, are there on the ground and connecting with people in Bhojpur, Simhanchal and also the Shahabad region. Now, Shahabad and the Bhojpur region are the regions where the NDA had performed dismally last time. So this time, BJP had vowed that they are going to do well in these regions, and that's what they are trying to do, and also trying to ensure that they are on their best footing when it comes to the last phase of the election campaign. So it's a battle to the finish, and we've seen that the NDA versus Mahagathbandhan fight is playing out to the full.